Today I will discuss about simple, compound and mixed astigmatism. What is astigmatism? Astigmatism is a type of refractive error where the refraction varies in different meridian. That means in one meridian the refraction will be more or less as compared to another meridian. So both meridians can't focus on the same point, but they focus one in front of another meridian. Depending upon where the two meridians are focusing in relation to the retina, astigmatism is classified into three types: simple astigmatism, compound astigmatism, and mixed astigmatism. Simple astigmatism. In simple astigmatism, one meridian is focused on the retina and other meridian is focused either in front or behind the retina. Here in this figure you can see horizontal meridian focusing on the retina and vertical meridian focusing in front of the retina. And in this figure, vertical meridian focusing on the retina and horizontal meridian focusing behind the retina. Simple astigmatism can be further divided into two types: simple myopic astigmatism and simple hyperopic astigmatism. Simple myopic astigmatism. In simple myopic astigmatism, one meridian is focused on the retina and other meridian is focused in front of the retina. Here in this figure you can see the horizontal meridian is focusing on the retina and vertical meridian is focusing in front of the retina. Example of simple myopic astigmatism: minus 0.5 at 180 degree axis. Simple hypermetropic astigmatism. In simple hypermetropic astigmatism, one meridian is focused on the retina and other meridian is focused behind the retina. Here in this figure you can see the vertical meridian is focusing on the retina and horizontal meridian is focusing behind the retina. Example of simple hypermetropic astigmatism: plus 0.5 at 90 degree axis. Now compound astigmatism. In compound astigmatism, both the meridian are focused either in front or behind the retina. Here in this figure you can see both the meridian focusing in front of the retina. And in this figure you can see both the meridian are focusing behind the retina. Compound astigmatism can be further divided into two types: compound myopic astigmatism and compound hyperopic astigmatism. Compound myopic astigmatism. In compound myopic astigmatism, both meridians are focused in front of the retina. Here in this figure you can see both meridians are focusing in front of the retina. Example of compound myopic astigmatism: minus 1 minus 0.5 at 180 degree axis. Compound hypermetropic astigmatism. In compound hypermetropic astigmatism, both meridians are focused behind the retina. Here in this figure you can see both meridian focusing behind the retina. Example of compound hypermetropic astigmatism: plus 1 plus 0.5 at 90 degree axis. Now mixed astigmatism. In mixed astigmatism, one meridian is focused in front and another meridian is focused behind the retina. Thus, in one meridian, eye is myopic and in another meridian, the eye is hypermetropic. In this figure, you can see vertical meridian focusing in front of the retina and horizontal meridian focusing behind the retina. Example of mixed astigmatism: plus 1 minus 2 at 180 degree axis. Most of the students get confused with compound astigmatism and mixed astigmatism if the power sign of spherical power and cylindrical power is different. Like if spherical power is plus and cylindrical power is minus, or spherical power is minus and cylindrical power is plus. They think that the power sign is opposite, so it will be mixed astigmatism, but it's not the case. Let's take an example: plus 2 minus 1 at 180 degree axis. This power seems mixed astigmatism, but it's actually compound hypermetropic astigmatism. Let's see how. If we distribute this power in an optical cross, then our spherical power is plus 2, so it will be in both meridian, and minus 1 is at 180 degree axis, so power will be here in the vertical meridian. So in the horizontal meridian we have plus 2 and in the vertical meridian we have total power plus 1. Now if we draw a ray diagram, then plus 2 will be somewhere here and plus 1 will be somewhere here. So this is an example of compound hypermetropic astigmatism, not mixed astigmatism. A easy tips to differentiate between compound and mixed astigmatism is, if the power sign of spherical and cylindrical power is opposite and cylindrical power is less than the spherical, then it will be compound astigmatism. And if the power sign of spherical and cylindrical power is opposite and cylindrical power is more than the spherical power, then it will be mixed astigmatism. Stay with smart optometry and study optometry smartly.